This exercise is going to be a lunge into a woodpecker progression. So if you're unfamiliar with the woodpecker, we're not going to really explain that too much here. Go back to that video. But we're going to set Mitch up into right leg forward, left leg back, into a woodpecker stance here. I want you to master this movement first, the woodpecker, okay? Then layer this on, the lunge into the woodpecker. So he's going to hip hinge and reach, fold over the hip. So now he's feeling 80% of the weight going through that front heel. He's going to lift his arms a touch. Good. So now he's in a hip hinge. He's going to come out of the hip hinge into a lunge. He's going to, come out, stay vertical, and then sink down into a lunge. Now he's going to come up and out of the lunge, back into a woodpecker, hip hinge. So it's a great progression to build strength in the legs with the lunge, and also hip mobility with that woodpecker. Up, reach. This is great pre-workout. I like maybe 5-6 reps in each side. Let's switch legs after this rep. So front toes in a little bit, back heel lifted. He's 50-50 with the weight. Now he hinges to 80-20. Lifting, he's really feeling that hamstring firing. He comes out of it. So I would have him go a little bit longer. I don't want that knee to go in front of the toe. So now we're gonna come up and out. So with that lunge, we wanna keep this knee over the heel. Good, there. Come out of the hinge and then sink down into a lunge, So I might even have you go a little bit longer. Let's do one more rep. So bring that back, push back and touch. There you go, good. Nice, out of the hinge and then down into the lunge, perfect. And again, I'm gonna do maybe 5 or 6 on each side.